What's up? It's your boy JG back at you again. Told you I'ma kill this, forgot about Dre beat. So y'all listen out for me, put Floyd on the map one more time for y'all. Hey. G-paper chasing, flow aviation. Foreign whip when the place is Asian. When the storm breeze got the ladies chasing. Bustin' bull clip when the buck is crazy. Say my time's up, eyes dedicated, so they cut him out. Threw me in the water, but I told the fans I'm still swimming. Blind duck, niggas plot against me, but they wanna beat me. Diamonds dripping like I'm spilling Fiji. Take-offs, touring through Tahiti. Break off cause the crew, they need me. And I'm running that, I'm running packs. And this 40 strapped and I found a jerk made thunderclaps. Bucky twerk, simmer down the stairs, let the puppy murk. To be a big dog, you gotta put in work for them clips, dog. A movie hurt for that green devil, nigga laying hearse. Real shit, I ain't never been no pussy. And I ain't never been no fraud. And I stack all this paper, cause my mind filled with them bars, nigga. Who is J to the A to the G? Young thoroughbred nigga, straight west for the streets. Second one, the brand nigga, young thug gotta eat. And hold your pussy, keep me going like my dick got a fleece. I can't eat from the bottom like a Russell burner. Spit vocals under pressure like I'm Tina Turner. I knew fly ass niggas, but I jump, I had to swat them whole dropping to their knees. Now I started from the bottom, nigga, oh nah. Drug a little, niggas is fraud, bro, I read them just like a Kindle. A room full of gold, like a nigga sleeping in a table, bustin' whipping that rose. Valentine edition, got a caliber militia. My niggas get the bustin', got the muzzle on the 40, but you swear I had a musket. It's JAG, but my lifestyle loved it. Follow JAG, FLA, look at that.